Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster fry using an easy method. First, let's get everything ready. You'll want to clean and prepare your lobster tails by splitting them lengthwise, which helps them cook evenly. Next, gather all your ingredients, such as 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and your favorite seasonings. Finally, make sure your pan is ready and preheated over medium heat for the best results. Now, let's get cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds until it becomes fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Then, place your prepared lobster tails meat side down in the pan. Cook them for 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring the meat turns opaque and slightly firm. It's time for the finishing touches. Flip the lobster tails over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. As they cook, continuously baste the lobster with that delicious butter and garlic mixture from the pan. This really enhances the flavor. Sprinkle with fresh herbs like parsley and add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect doneness. Your easy lobster fry is ready. Carefully remove the cooked lobster from the pan and let it rest briefly for about 1 minute. This helps the juices redistribute, keeping the meat tender. Garnish each tail with a fresh lemon wedge for a bright, zesty finish. Serve your delicious lobster immediately as a main course or a fancy appetizer. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, easy homemade lobster fry.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.